All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and we're going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to answer. Yes.
How often do you buy shoes?
I don't often buy a shoes.
Mike, please.
I don't often buy a shoes, but whenever I go for a shopping, I think if I like some pair of shoes, then I buy it.
All right, this answer is very plain, so there should be some more. How often do you buy shoes? I don't buy shoes regularly. It's just only when I go to the market with my mom or dad and there is a good pair and I like it, then I buy it. Otherwise, I am not keen on buying new pair of shoes and having a collection. So to answer your question, I hardly ever buy shoes.
Okay.
Something like organized answer, okay? Let's go on.
Do you know anyone who likes to buy a lot of shoes?
Yeah, I know. And it's my husband that's fond of the shoes, and I think whenever he goes to shopping, he picks the pair of shoes every time.
All right, so to answer your question, my husband loves
loves
to
to
buy
buy
shoes
shoes.
all the time. Good?
Okay.
Yeah, let's go on.
What's your favorite type of shoes?
I think I'll just love the sneakers because the sneakers are more comfortable when you wear it. And to answer your questions, I just love sneakers.
Okay, so your answer revolves around one idea and then you're repeatedly using the same wording, same language. Try to use a variety of words. I'll ask you the last question. Would you prefer to buy comfortable shoes or fashionable shoes?
I just go with the comfortable shoes because if you go somewhere and you don't comfort, then you can't walk. If you feel comfortable, then you have been relaxed.
Okay, this is good. So practice all these topics, focus your grammar, become more fluent and you'll be fine, right? Thank you.